Ah, this is the little spot where the trailer has a driveway coming in. Right there to the road. Spots up there. Right there, there's the well. Where the well's gonna be. Might clean out some of these small trees, make my driveway a little better. Here it goes around to the spot, to the camping spot. There's the property line right there. You see the flags that my neighbor put out. But still got a little bit of trash up here I need to burn. Need to clean up. Got some trees back in there. I'm gonna come up here and clean it out with a chainsaw and fix it up. Trailer used to be right here. There's my truck, and the driveway goes around the front right there. I've got a septic tank line coming out right there. Still got the old power pole. This is, I don't know if I can still use these boxes or not. There's got a breaker in there. I might have to straighten this pole out. I might still use that box on there. But this is a wire and a PVC pipe right there that goes down to the well down there. There's the mailbox and driveway coming in.